Organic farming. We will see products and methods for pest control in storage, especially traps. When it comes to the traps, various types of traps, mechanical traps, sticky traps, light traps, these all traps are permitted even during the crop production or even in the storage. These are permitted, but the point to be considered here is properly dispose of dead bodies of rats, insects, whatever is catching in these traps. Wood ash mixed with the seeds for insect control. It is a very age old practice, mixing wood ash with the pulses. Motor oil used as insect trap. It is restricted use in combination with black light. It can be used motor oil. This is also very common practice, using motor oil as a insect trap. Vegetable oil, vegetable oil can be used in the seed storage. It can be mixed with the seed. Proper quantity is to be mixed uniformly, and the seed can be stored. Pyrethrin, it is a restricted usage. Extract from natural pyrethrum can be used only in storage areas that should not come in contact with the product or seed or food material or anything, but storage areas it can be used. Pheromones. Pheromones, all types of pheromones are permitted. Mostly the pheromone traps are used to attract the insects. Anyhow, I'm going to give detailed presentation of the pheromones in a PPT form. Ultrasound used to confuse and discomfort pests is permitted in organic farming. So ultrasounds can be used. Ultrasounds we cannot hear, but the insects and all they can hear, and they will feel uncomfortable with the sounds which they are hearing. Products used as cleaning agents and disinfectants. Even during the storage and godowns and all, the utensils which are used or machinery which is used for processing or cleaning, storage, there are certain guidelines. Dishwashing detergent for cleaning of containers and equipment used in food processing, dishwashing detergent is permitted. Washing detergent for cleaning equipment and space, washing detergent is permitted. Ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol only permitted for cleaning the containers. It should not come in touch with the produce. Hydrogen peroxide. It is restricted use for disinfection of processing equipment only and must wash with hot water before beginning the processing. Here, wherever you are seeing A, it is allowed, and R is restricted. Prohibited items were not mentioned here. So, participatory guarantee system of organic products operational manual for producers provided these broad PGS guidelines followed by different countries. So you can see broadly that bokashi compost, it is a Japanese method of composting. The bokashi effective microorganisms are available that can be used even at the household level also, but in the farm level also it can be used. A bucket where all the materials which are to be composted are to be added, and the bokashi compost is to be added. Even the water which is coming out of the bucket can be used to spray as a nutrition. Dolomite, calcium carbonate. Actually, dolomite is recommended to neutralize the soil acidity by increasing the pH of acidic soils. Calcium carbonate is permitted, recommended for acidic soil. Lime, calcium carbonate, it is also used to raise the pH levels of acidic soils to neutralize for better crop growth. The ground limestone in the form of calcite or dolomite supply calcium to the plants. Agricultural lime made from crushed neutral calcite or dolomite limestone was permitted in organic farming. Certified organic growers were not allowed to use either burnt lime, calcium oxide, or hydrated lime, calcium hydroxide, as per the USDA organic rules. Rice husk, rice straw, effective microorganisms, all these effective microorganisms are permitted. Plant materials, molasses, vermicompost, warm juice, everything is permitted. Vermiwash production, I will explain you clearly how to produce vermiwash with the help of photos. Insect traps, sulfur as a fungicide, copper also as a fungicide, entomopathogenic nematodes. This also I will explain clearly. Entomopathogenic nematodes, and even application of EPNs, everything. Sodium bicarbonate. It is commonly known as baking soda. This is also permitted in organic farming. Many countries recommend using potassium bicarbonate instead of sodium bicarbonate in organic cultivation because it will supply potassium also. So, mostly potassium bicarbonate was used to neutralize acidic soils. It is also effective fungicide that control powdery mildew and apple scab. It is recommended in organic farm as a replacement to sulfur and copper as it is safe to the humans and environment. Mineral oils. Many farmers are using the mineral oil mixtures. Repellents, citronella, lemongrass, these oils are permitted. Pyrethrum also. Tobacco, tea is permitted at lower concentrations. Dairy is also permitted. Sticking agent, mostly the potassium soap is permitted. Botanical extracts. Liquid compost. Liquid compost is very useful to boost the growth. Vinegar, it is multi-purpose like to control diseases, to control insects, and even to control weeds at higher concentration. Wood ash, vegetable oils, and in pyrethrin, pheromones, ultrasound, whatever we discussed earlier, everything description is there. Products used as cleaning agents, dishwash, washing detergent, ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol should not come in contact with the product. Hydrogen peroxide. So with this, we have seen what are all the things permitted in PGS certification. In detail, the production and usage we will see separately in separate sessions. Thank you. Signing off, Srilata.